Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. Took all summer here, but I think I finally have a forecast that you will like, as not only are we in the final days of the 100-degree heat here most likely, but also going to get some beneficial rain, which may help out with some of the drought and wildfire conditions over the next week or so. Some late-day thunderstorms today, but it's probably going to be too late to offer us any kind of heat relief, so we'll all start out close to 80 degrees this morning and maybe tip 100 briefly this afternoon, which is about where we were yesterday. I believe the record today is 103 in Shreveport. 102, we did tie the record high yesterday. I think we'll come just short today, but the temperature is hot enough that we do have another heat advisory in effect for all counties and parishes. Again, 110, that's where we go from the heat advisory to the excessive heat warning, and we are showing the numbers up to about 110 this afternoon. So it's a close call. Weather Service going with the heat advisory today, so just kind of highlighting that it's still dangerous to be out there, especially during the afternoon. So make sure you're staying hydrated and just staying inside as much as possible today as well. And again, we do have a cold front that's just to the north of us. This isn't the front that's going to bring immediate relief. We will feel some more relief with the front coming in this weekend, but this front will wash out today. But as it does so, the front will kind of collide with that warm and humid air that builds in all day. And as we've seen all summer, you get these thunderstorms going on a 100-degree day, get some really strong downburst winds, just given the dynamics that play in the atmosphere. So we do have a marginal risk of seeing mainly some wind damage. Can't rule out some hail, but I think wind would be the main issue with any storms this afternoon. But I think today is one of those days that more of you will stay dry than actually see the rain. The storms will be fairly scattered in nature here and much later in the day. So taking a look at your Robins Toyota Futurecast does keep us dry through about noon today, and you can see the late afternoon, early evening. That's when we expect to see some of these storms get going, especially in the northern ArkLaTex here. So just kind of look out for that. Again, more likely to be impacted by those on the way home than you are maybe headed off to work or school this morning, but it should just be a quick shot. I don't think we'll see many of these hold together overnight tonight, but we have some more rain coming in Friday and Saturday as well. So if you add up what's coming through Friday evening, could see anywhere from about a quarter to a half inch of rain, but I think the juicy or the front that will bring us a better chance of rain coming in late Friday into Saturday, and I think a lot of the rain will fall overnight, so it won't have a big impact on the weekend. But it is nice to see on the map here maybe some areas picking up 1 to 2 inches of rain over the next 4 to 5 days, which would definitely go a ways as far as alleviating some of the wildfire concerns for us. We do dry out this weekend, so again, it will just be a quick shot of rain early Saturday. Weekend's looking gorgeous. The overnight lows should drop into the 60s as we lose some of the humidity as well. And now looks like another front may come in next Tuesday, and this one could possibly cool us into the 80s for several days next week as well. So I think either Thursday or Friday, maybe the final day of 2023, that we hit 100 degrees.